Corona bubbles, not the bubbles you blow in the backyard during quarantine or the one you stroll or roll down the street in. It's the imaginary bubble created around you or you and your quarantine crew to slow the spread of COVID-19. But now with quarantine fatigue weighing heavy,
this is going on a long time.
more talk about expanding their Corona bubbles, like friends Jill Strickman and Farah Khan.
Jill and I were just texting about like our comfort level on getting together.
I am always like saying, maybe you could come over and we could have like a dinner and be far apart.
Lisa Jordan played by the rules and stayed home alone for weeks until the anxiety became overwhelming and her closest friend invited her over.
She goes, come on, Lisa, we have been here. Nobody's been in this house for 40 days. We did hug. I said, I can't anymore. And she's like, Lisa, you needed this. You have to look out for your mental health too.
She expanded her Corona bubble just a smidge.
I feel guilty. I felt like almost like, you were cheating on your husband or something,
Dr. Waleed Javed, Director of Infection Prevention and Control at Mount Sinai downtown, knows it's getting harder to realize we are still dealing with a pandemic. Shops opening, more people out and about.
If a friend came up to you and said, hey, I'm thinking of hanging out with some friends I haven't seen since pre-quarantine this weekend, what would your response to them be?
Not at this time. It's not an easy thing. I totally know it. We've come so far, and it's important to kind of give it a few more days, maybe a week or so.
Dr. Javed urges, wait for word from health officials, because if we don't move too quickly, we might have to do all of this all over again. Vanessa Murdock, CBS 2 News.